unboxing time, my friends. Let's open this. In case you're wondering what this is, well, that's dang it, stupid frick. You probably already read the title, so you already know what this is. Hallelujah, sweet, yes, baby. What is this? What is this? Okay, so we got some receipts here. Okay, store products, blah, 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 blah. Sweet baby, we got some Mario Galaxy. Dude. Nice. An actual game manual. Oh, dude, this is my childhood right there. Let's put that off to the side. Where's my knife? I'm currently looking for my knife right now. I got something better. Okay. Ooh, did you hear that? Oh, baby, I love you, hey, every day. There it goes. Just gotta chip the edges. Frick! Where's my pen? This is my pen of pure evil, my friends. Oh, I can. Dang it! If I had a knife, you know how much easier that would have been. I don't know where the cap went. Probably because it's black on a black couch. No racism. Okay. Package delivered. Oops. Do you know it's actually not? Oh my gosh! Yes, I was kind of worried because it said it'd come with 2 other games. Those games being Wii Sports and New Super Mario Bros. Dude, all of this for just $80. Online only. Go online to GameStop. Looked up looked up Wii, and then go to console, and looked up refurbished for just like it says $74.99, but plus tax is about $80. It says online only, but it's refurbished, so basically new. And oh my goodness, it's a box. Dude, this is my childhood. I need a DS. That's all I need now. The DS, and I got my whole childhood. And an Xbox 360. Wow, I had a lot of game consoles in my childhood. Let me tell you. It's gonna be harder than the. I want to keep this Wii box just in case. I can't open this. I don't want to use the pen. I'm worried it's gonna like mark on the Wii, maybe. Oh, bubble wrap. Sweet, sweet, sweet bubble wrap. There it goes. Okay, let's see. We got all the components. That's so weird. Look at this Wii controller. Oh, it's so warm. Wii Motion Plus inside. Oh. Look, it's like white at the back and then black at the front. It's a black Wii because I'm a racist. There's a bunch of bubble wrap inside. Ah, screw the Wii. I only got it for the bubble wrap. Hold on, this is how you pop it. Where's that pen? It's not popping. Oh, probably because I pulled this out. No, it's just not. Maybe it's because they're so big, it just won't pop. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Ooh. Let's see, we got a Wiimote and a nunchuck. Check that out. That would have sucked if I had to buy them separately. We got this thing. I'm sure that goes to something, I'm just not sure. AA batteries. That's cool that it comes with those. The Wii sensor bar. Heck yeah. Okay, we got some Gucci cords right here. Is this zoomed in? Okay, no, I don't think so. We got this plugs into that. I think that then plugs into the Wii, and then but that plugs into the Wii plugs into that box plugs into this, and this plugs into the wall. Cool. And then we have the piece de resistance. Where's the front? Where's the oh, this one. Where's the stand? There's no stand? Oh, that kind of sucks. Oh, we are gonna have a fun time, my friends. I don't have any way of recording Wii games. Kind of sucks. Yeah, there's no stand. What the flip, dude? Okay, there's no stand. That kind of sucks. There's no way I can record this, which kind of sucks. But who cares? Okie dokie. I don't care. Here we go. It's black. It's black. It's black. Holy crap. Okay, now I mean it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to whatever, and one of my new videos is gonna be I got a Wii in 2018. See you guys. Video over.